Hello Wanderers, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I uploaded a video, but this time I'm here to share with you the 10 tips about camping manners or camping etiquette. These tips I'm about to share is not just for the expert, as I myself is not a professional. This is also for the newbies, first timers, weekend campers, and freedom campers. So before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, please like and share this video to your friends and loved ones. Thank you so much. Let's go.
This video channel was made as a gift for my future self, and I hope to share it with my grandchildren.
Number one on my list is Claygo or Clean as you go. Even if you're not on the campsite yet, if you're still in the planning stage, put this in mind right away and remind your group about Claygo. Leave no trace. Before you leave, make sure to inspect your campsite for trash such as food waste, plastic bags, bottles, chip wrappers, cigarette butts, and more. Dispose the trash properly in provided bins or take it with you. Always leave a place better than you found it. Let's respect Mother Nature. If you can do it or don't want to do it, then don't go on camping. Just stay home. Number two, share the campsite. Occupy only what you need and do not block the walkway. Make sure you clean up after using the shared facilities like the bathrooms and kitchen. Number 3. Be respectful of others. Avoid loud noise and observe peace at night or keep reasonable noise levels. Be polite and offer assistance to neighboring campers if they need a hand, and be friendly at all times. Number 4 on my list is kind of funny, but this is true. Don't poop or pee anywhere. Be professional enough not to do it near the site. Go as far as 60 to 100 meters away from the campsite and make sure to dig a hole and cover your poop right away. This is only one of the ways of showing respect to others. Number 5. Do not trespass. It is mandatory to respect others people's privacy, just like what you expect from others. Just like you, other campers are there to search for peace and to de-stress from the annoying city. So, do not trespass. Number 6. Respect the facilities. Treat every campground facility like it's a personal space at home and clean up after each use. You are lucky if the campsite provides showers, toilets, and sink. So, make sure to take care of it. Number 7 on my list, control pets. Pets are welcome at some campgrounds, but it's important that their human bodies are considerate. This means to keep the dog on a leash, do not leave your pet in a campsite alone, make sure that barking isn't an issue, especially at night. In addition, make sure to clean up after your pet, even if the campground is remote. Number 8 is really important. Avoid using single-use plastic. Instead, bring a reusable bag or eco bag. Skip the usage of straw. If you're gonna bring food from the fast food, please do not ask for straw, as it will only add up to your garbage. Break up with bottled water. In its place, buy a water container, a reusable water bottle, or a jug that you can reuse and refill anytime. Saying goodbye to single-use bottled water will help you save hundreds of pesos per year. Number 9. Expect the unexpected. People may follow the third rule I gave earlier, but still, there are noises that we cannot control, especially during night. Can you guess what I'm trying to say here? It's the snoring. I'm guilty of it. In a way, sleeping in public areas like a campsite can be annoying at times, especially when there is someone who snores so loud. Just remember that this is part of your camping adventure. Number 10. Follow the campsite's rules and regulations. Each campsite has their individual rules and regulations that we must follow. These rules will outline what you can and cannot do while camping. And if you want to enjoy your stay, Simply follow the rules. That's simple. All these 10 camping etiquettes is equal to just one basic rule, and that is discipline. Discipline is one of the best gifts we can give our kids, which they can also share with their future children. If I can only play the song of a scene as my background music, that's gonna be great. Maybe someday if I have enough funds for it. Anyway, I can't wait for this pandemic to end so we can see each other on the campsite. Whether it is camping by the river, camping by the beach, mountains, glamping, freedom camping, or camping on wheels. Are you also looking forward for more camping adventures? Us too. So, just to recap, here are the 10 camping etiquettes I just shared. Number 1 on my list is Clay Go or Clean As You Go. Number 2, share the campsite. Number 3, be respectful of others. Number 4 on my list is kind of funny, but this is true. Don't poop or pee anywhere. Number 5, do not trespass. Number 6, respect the facilities. Number 7 on my list, control pets. Number 8 is really important. Avoid using single-use plastic. Number 9, expect the unexpected. Number 10, follow the campsite's rules and regulations. Bye for now. Keep safe everyone at maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa channel na to. See you on the next one. Thank you so much and rock on!